GMS full exhaust. GMS full exhaust, 200 cell high flow cat. Take a quick walk around. Got the new GMS front splitter on, looks incredible. Carbon fiber hood, carbon canards, GMS rear wing, incredible. Just starting her up, haven't started her up in a while. Right now the valve for the exhaust is open. Thing sounds insane. Just changed the oil as well, because very soon we're going to Tennessee. Car just idled down, and I got fresh tires to put on as well. Wow. I think it's starting to drizzle a little bit. But yeah, man, that thing looks incredible.